it's Angela here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, remember to hit the subscribe button down below. By the end of this video, you will know how to pronounce some of these very difficult and confusing and super famous brand names. Alright, so let's do it. So when you think about sports, running, basketball, what's one super famous brand name that you think about? That's correct, Nike! So some people do confuse it with Nike, but it's not pronounced as Nike, it's actually pronounced as Nike. So that little check. So the word Nike, it's from Greek and it's the name of the goddess of victory. And yeah, so the correct pronunciation is Nike, not Nike. Alright, the next famous brand name is Coca-Cola. So some people call it Coke or just Coca-Cola. And in Asia, actually a lot of Asians say, "Could I get a cola?" Which is interesting and just a bit different. Now the name came about because a long time ago, the main ingredients for Coca-Cola were coca leaves and cola berries. Now, yes, some people, when they order a Coke, they might mistake it for, "Can I get a Coke?" When you think about kids and toys, what's the big brand name that you will think about? That's right, Lego! So, Lego is actually a Danish word and it comes from leg got and it means play well. Cool, right? Did you even know that? So, some people might pronounce it as Lego, but it's not, it's Lego. The next big boy toys, what do you guys like to play? When you think about PlayStation, well, that's right, Nintendo. So Nintendo is actually from Japan. The word Nin in Japanese means entrusted, and the word Tendo means heaven. So it's like you're playing in heaven with whatever game you're playing. And some people might pronounce it wrong, and they might say Nintendo. It's not. It's Nintendo. Alright, so when you think of internet shopping, what's one site that you think about? That's right, Amazon. So the CEO wanted a name starting with A, and so he picked the biggest river in the world, Amazon. Now some people might mispronounce it and say Amazon or Amazon. It's not, it's Amazon. Now this one, the one where you video your friend, face-to-face video, or family, or meetings and interviews. This one really bugs me, as you can probably tell. But Skype. Just Skype. Now Asians really love to call it Skype. I don't know why. It's not Skype, it's just Skype. And some other people from different countries, they will also call it Scape. It's not Scape, it's Skype. So now when you think about home shopping for furniture like tables, desks, chairs, closets, and things like that, what's the first name you think of? That's right, IKEA. Actually, neither are correct. The correct pronunciation is IKEA. It's actually a Swedish word. So, now you know. Alright, so now you've got these famous brands that you can use all over the world. And now next time you want to use these words, you know how to pronounce them correctly. Now, every Thursday, don't forget to go on my page to check out my trailers. They will be on Facebook, search up ABC with Angela, and don't forget every Friday on YouTube. You come and check my videos out. It will be the full video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button.